Subscribe to Jessie's Recipes and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Hi everyone, this is Jazla Ismat. Welcome to Jessie's Recipes. Today's recipe is the most requested recipe. Yes, it's the dessert recipe. This dessert will be sure hit with kids if they are jelly fans. And I'm sure lot of kids are jelly fans. Adding the cream to the jelly will give it such a fantastic flavor that even adults will love this jelly pudding recipe when you serve it. To begin with, take 1 tablespoon of gelatin in a bowl. To hydrate the gelatin, pour it into the cold water and mix it with a spoon and let it sit for 5 minutes to bloom. Next, empty the contents of the jelly packet into a medium bowl. Pour the boiling water according to the package instructions and whisk until completely dissolved. Set aside to cool down to room temperature for about 30 minutes. Do not attempt to speed up the cooling process by refrigerating it, as this will solidify. Next, in your blender, add 480 grams of yogurt, 500 grams of sweetened condensed milk, and fill the empty tin of condensed milk with 1 cup of water. And then stir and collect any remaining condensed milk and pour this water into the blender. After gelatin has turned into gel form, microwave for 40 seconds or double boil to turn into liquid form again. Now add the liquid gelatin also and blend everything together. When the jelly mixture is no longer hot to touch, whisk the yogurt mixture until evenly combined. At this point, you will want to let the hot mixture cool down to near room temperature before adding into the dairy. Adding yogurt to a hot mixture can cause it to split and curdle, and no one likes that. Divide the mixture evenly into individual glasses or 1 medium serving bowl if serving family style. Stick in the refrigerator for about 1 to 2 hours or until it is firm. If you are in a hurry, you can pop them in the freezer. While it's setting, make the next layer. Make the jelly by following the instructions on your packet. Dissolve the jelly in hot water and leave it to cool on the countertop so that it is not hot. When ready to pour onto the previous layer, this will ensure that your layers do not blend together. The other great thing about it is that you can easily customize the jelly flavor to your liking. I use strawberry jelly mix flavor for the first layer, but you can also use any flavor you like. So swap out the strawberry and orange jelly mix with whatever flavor you like. When the first layer has set, pour the second layer of the jelly over the first layer. Best to pour the jelly over the back of a spoon and then onto the set layer, which helps to dribble and avoid penetrating your first layer. Once the second layer is on, carefully place the entire bowl into the refrigerator to chill for 1 more hour to set completely. Then you are ready to serve. Now our yogurt jelly is done and ready. I hope that you are inspired and tempted to try today's recipe. And please do let me know by leaving a comment in the comment section if you make them or plan to make them. Don't forget to share and like Jessie's Recipes. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe for more recipes. I'll come out with another wonderful recipe. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you for watching.